In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. We'll walk through this process step by step, so if you're following along on your own screen, feel free to pause at any time and complete each action before moving on. By the end, you'll have GitHub connected inside Notion, which can make it much easier to keep track of your repositories, issues, and development work directly from your workspace. Start by opening Notion on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the account where you want this integration to live. Once you're in, look towards the top corner of the Notion window and click on your profile icon. This could be your initials, a profile picture, or a generic avatar, depending on what you've set up. When you click the profile icon, a menu will open. From here, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you into Notion's main settings area, where you can manage things like your account details, notifications, and, importantly for us, your connections. Inside the settings, look for the section called Connections. This is where Notion lets you link third-party tools and services so they can share information with your workspace. Go ahead and click on Connections. You should now see options related to existing connections as well as a way to explore new ones. Next, you want to find and add GitHub from Notion's gallery of available connections. To do this, click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This will open a list of apps and services that Notion can integrate with. Because there may be many options, using the search bar will make things much faster. In the search field, start typing GitHub. As you type, Notion will filter the results. When you see GitHub appear in the list of connections, click on it to open the details page for the GitHub integration. Here, you can see a brief description of what the integration does and sometimes what permissions it will request. Once you're ready to connect, click on the button that says Add to Notion. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your GitHub account and authorize the connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions, review the permissions, and confirm. After that, your Notion workspace will be successfully connected to GitHub, and you can begin using the integration in your pages and projects.